Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel, and if you are stopping by for the first time, this is the Bell Makeovers. Today I have a bridal hair and makeup tutorial for you. All the products I will use will be listed in the description box. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment and also subscribe and share to your friends. Without further ado, let's get started. So I started by putting her hair up in a ponytail. I used my tail comb to brush up the hair to smoothen it, and I tied it so that it can be really firm before going in with my edge control to smoothen the edges and also the upper part of the hair. This look was actually unplanned, so I turned into an emergency hairstylist that day, and I wondered why not film it. So here we are. Please rate my amateur hairstyling skills in the comment section. Let me know if I have hope in hairstyling or I should just face my makeup. Anyway, after smoothing and packing the hair, I used the hair builder as a base and I pinned it to the hair using bobby pins. So I used braiding hair. I just braided a pack into one single braid and I attached it to the hair builder that I already attached to her hair using the same bobby pins all around, as you will see me do in a bit.
I don't wanna call you, I don't wanna know what you think. I'm the one you go to whenever you feel like you're about to sink. I don't wanna just forget you, but I wanna be fine. I'll be waiting for a sign to light up, yeah. And your heart is out of sight, I just wanna feel mine. Hey you, I could become the one for another one. Hey.
Now that our hair is ready, we'll move into the makeup. I started by cleaning her face with micellar cleansing water to remove every oil or dirt on her face before going in to apply any product at all. So I'm starting off with her brows and I'm applying some primer on her eyebrows to keep the area matte. The link to my super detailed eyebrow tutorial will be in the description box. Please go and watch it. So I'll move right into the skin. So the next thing I'm using after the cleanser is a toner. I'm applying a toner now to improve the longevity of the makeup I'm going to apply. Once I apply the toner and it dries down, I go into my serum. The serum is a moisturizing one and it will help to hydrate the face. Then I go into a proper moisturizer to further moisturize the skin. My model has combination skin, so after using the serum and moisturizer, I used a mattifying primer on her T-zone and the areas where she's prone to oil out. And that's basically it for the skin prep. The next step now is foundation. So after applying the foundation on her face, I went in with a hydrating mist to help me blend the foundation easily and also get a skin-like finish and seamless finish as well when I'm done. When I finished blending the foundation in, I went in again with the hydrating mist to set the foundation into her skin properly before going into highlighting and contouring. For the highlighting, I paid special attention to the under eyes because I wanted that area to be the brightest. So I blended out the edges first, then I went into blending the remaining part of the highlights, leaving the under eye area there. I waited for the concealer to get a bit tacky so that I could get maximum coverage under the eyes. So I did the under eyes last and I immediately went in to set with my setting powder. For the highlighting, I used a concealer that is about 2 or 3 shades lighter than her normal skin tone, and I set with a translucent powder that has no color. It just helped to mattify the area and lock in the concealer. So once I'm done with that, I'll move into contouring. For today, I'm just going to do only powder contour, meaning I'll be using a darker shade of powder to do the contour on her face.
I don't wanna call you, I don't wanna know what you think. I'm the one you go to whenever you feel like you're about to sink. I don't wanna just...
Now I'm contouring her face with the powder. and I'm going to go into the hollow of her cheeks and also the perimeters of her face. Now I'm applying blush, and it looks like I went heavy on the blush, but it's still going to fade out because I'm going to still apply powder over it. Now I'm going over the highlighted areas with a lighter powder to further brighten the area. Then I'll go over her entire face with her exact powder shade. I'm going to apply the powder all over her face except the highlighted areas that I already put the lighter powder shade. So once I'm done with this, I'm going to contour the nose, which is what I'm doing now, and I'm using a shade lighter, a darker powder, but a shade lighter than the shade I used to contour her face. I'm going back in to reinforce the highlights that I did on the nose so that it can be more obvious, and then I'll set the entire face with my hydrating mist again. Once the face dries, I apply some setting powder under the eyes to help me to catch any fallout from the eyeshadow I'm about to apply, and then I go in with some black gel eyeliner to use as a base for my black eyeshadow. Now I'm applying the black eyeshadow on the gel liner now, and I'm gently and softly blending out the edges with brown eyeshadow. Once I have that blended out, then I go in to apply some glitter glue over the eyeshadow, and I apply this gold multi-dimensional glitters. I know some people believe that a bridal look is supposed to be natural or very soft, but the truth is there are no rules to makeup. Just do you. As long as you have the confidence to pull off the look, you are good to go. So let me remind you, in case you've not liked this video yet, this is a good time to like it. Leave a comment, share this video to your friends and family, and also subscribe to my channel if you've not. You can also follow me on Instagram at The Belle Makeovers. I'm also available for bookings, either bridal makeup or any other type. I'm based in Lagos, Nigeria, but I can travel anywhere. So I also brightened the inner corner of the eyes with this light pigment. Then I went into the black gel liner I used as the base initially, and I used it to line the eyes for the upper part. For the lower part of the eyes, I went back into the brown eyeshadows that I used to blend out the black eyeshadow for the upper lid. I blended them on the lower eyelid, and I also added some black eyeshadow before going into a white pencil for the waterline, and that's to open up our eyes and make them look bigger. Please watch this video to the end and let me know what you like most about the video. Is it the brows? Is it the eyeshadow? Is it the skin work? Is it the lips? For me, it's the eyes. I really love the eyes. But let me know what you like in the comment section. Also, please leave your feedbacks in the comment section. And if you also have any look you would like me to create, also leave it in the comment section and I'll definitely work on them. Now I'm just applying some mascara on our lower eyelashes to bring them out, and then I'll go into the lips. For the lips, I did this brown peach-like ombre lips, which is really soft and complements the bold eyes. After that, I applied highlighter at the high points of her face to make the face glow, and also finished up with a pair of lashes for the eyes, and also finishing spray for the face. I did that off camera. You want to make sure that you set your makeup with a finishing spray so that it can last all day. As a bride, she's going to have the makeup on from morning till evening or night, and you want to make sure that it lasts as long as possible. And that's basically it for the bridal look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share to your friends and your family, and also subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.
I wanna hear you tonight. I don't wanna fight you. You don't wanna know if I feel alright. I don't wanna just forgive you, I just wanna be fine. I'll be waiting for a sign to light up, yeah. And your heart is out of sight. I just wanna feel mine.